In today's highly competitive retail landscape, businesses must prioritize building strong relationships with their customers. Understanding their preferences, purchase history, and providing personalized experiences are vital for cultivating loyalty and driving repeat sales. Recognizing the significance of customer management, Shopify POS offers a robust set of features that enable retailers to effectively manage and engage with their customer base. In this video, we will explore the importance and benefits of customer management within Shopify POS and how it empowers retailers to create exceptional experiences that keep customers coming back. Comprehensive customer profiles. A key advantage of customer management in Shopify POS is the ability to create comprehensive customer profiles. Retailers can capture and store relevant customer information, including contact details, purchase history, and preferences. These profiles serve as a centralized hub of customer data, empowering retailers to gain deep insights into their customers' behaviors and preferences. By having a 360-degree view of each customer, retailers can personalize interactions and tailor their offerings to individual preferences. They can anticipate customer needs, recommend relevant products, and deliver a more personalized shopping experience. This level of personalization strengthens customer engagement, fosters loyalty, and drives customer satisfaction. Purchase history and order management. Shopify POS's customer management features provide retailers with a comprehensive view of each customer's purchase history and order details. Retailers can easily access information such as previous purchases, order dates, and transaction values. This enables retailers to offer personalized recommendations, cross-sell or upsell complementary products, and provide exceptional customer service. The ability to track and manage orders within the customer management system enhances operational efficiency. Retailers can view the status of each order, track deliveries, and handle customer inquiries or returns more effectively. This streamlines the order management process and ensures a seamless customer experience from purchase to delivery. Personalized offers and marketing. With customer management in Shopify POS, retailers can take advantage of personalized offers and targeted marketing campaigns. By leveraging the customer data stored within the system, retailers can create and deliver customized promotions, discounts, or loyalty rewards directly to individual customers. Personalized offers resonate with customers on a deeper level, as they feel valued and understood by the brand. By tailoring promotions to their specific preferences and purchase history, retailers can increase the likelihood of conversion and repeat business. Furthermore, targeted marketing campaigns based on customer segments or behavioral data can drive engagement, enhance brand loyalty, and optimize marketing spend. CRM integration and customer insights. Shopify POS's customer management features seamlessly integrate with customer relationship management tools, enabling retailers to leverage powerful insights and analytics. By integrating with popular CRM systems, retailers can consolidate customer data from various touchpoints, including online and offline sales channels, email marketing campaigns, and customer service interactions. This integration enables retailers to gain a holistic view of customer behavior and preferences, enabling them to create more impactful marketing strategies and personalized experiences. Retailers can analyze customer data, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions to optimize their sales and marketing efforts. Additionally, customer insights gained through CRM integration can inform product development, inventory management, and customer service strategies. Retailers can identify emerging trends, uncover customer pain points, and proactively address customer needs. This proactive approach helps businesses stay ahead of the competition and build a loyal customer base.